Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I really just want to thank everyone who's been rocking with me this far and who have been watching my other videos. It has been a very long time since I have done a wig video because I've really been wearing my natural hair more. So I really should be doing more natural hair videos, but that's it. That's a process, okay? It's really trial and error. But I came across this wig, you guys, because I've been a little lazy. I've been growing out my taper cuts, and it's trying. Anyways, I was like, I need something new, so I went and found this wig, guys, and I have to say, I absolutely adore it. Like, it looks very much not like a wig. I get so many compliments on this wig. I'm like, okay, this is why I'm not gonna cut my hair back. You know what I'm saying? Because I want it to be big and pretty and full like this, guys. And this, if you guys want to look all of the naturalista without any of the work, you guys, this wig is the wig for you guys. Let me go ahead and just go into details about it and just stop bragging about it, because I know y'all want to know. Like, I know y'all want to know what's the name of this wig and blase blase. So here it is. Without further ado, this is the Vella Rosa wig. Bam. This is her. And it's funny because she's wearing it like a side part, which I never even thought to do that. I really like it like this, without any part. So I guess I'm gonna try to see how it looks like as a side part, but it doesn't have like any parting space at all, and my hair is braided under here, so I personally love wearing it like this. This just looks like cute. It's in the color 1B, which is very natural. It's crazy. I really wanted like a blonde kind of wig, curly wig, but this one came in like a reddish orange carrot top kind of color, or this 1B. So I was like, okay, realistically, let's just go. It looks really natural, the 1B color, so I'm glad that I got it anyways. And as far as the construction of the wig, it's got combs in the front and combs in the back, and it also has the adjustable strap as well. I had to use the adjustable strap because I felt like without it, it was a little loose. So that's good, because that means if you have more hair or whatever the case is, you can adjust to that. So that's really good. Also, when I took it out, it came in this little packaging, and guys, it was $18.99 at my beauty supply store. And by my beauty supply store, Janet's. I'm in Texas, so if you guys know Janet's, but any kind of beauty supply store, whatever, $18.99, that's what it was. Yeah, so when I took it out, the curls were much tighter. So what I did just to loosen up those curls a bit was got like some mousse, real light mousse, put it on my hands and just kind of ran my fingers through it and like fluffed it out. So a good thing is it's curly, so I mean the fluff is all you want. Now it doesn't have to be as fluffy either, and because it's curly, I feel like you can kind of like shape it some more. So I like the construction being kind of like this and then like this, if you guys kind of know my drift. I kind of fluff this part up and it makes this kind of a shape. I think it's just for my really round face. I think it looks very flattering. And man, my favorite part about this is that it's so big and fluffy, guys. Like, oh yeah, look at this wig. It looks very natural, it's very secure, and I really genuinely recommend it. It's gonna last a long time because it's curly. When I get home, I literally just take it off. I don't do anything special with this wig. When I put it on, I put it on and I fluff it and I go. So you don't have to touch it. It doesn't touch even my shoulders, so it's never in the way. I don't have to worry about my purse or anything getting in the way of it, and it's a really, really cute wig. So I definitely 100% recommend this wig, y'all, because I don't have anything at all bad to say about it. I got a lot of compliments, and like I said, it's just a really good way of, even if my hair was this length, I would still put this wig on as a protective style. So anytime I want to condition my hair, just not have to manipulate my hair at all, this is a great, really good way of doing that. So Vella Vella Rosa. That was awful. Vella Vella Rosa, guys. If you like this wig, please let me know. Thumbs up. If you like this review and you want more wig reviews, I'll have to keep buying more wigs. So help me out. I will. If I come across that blonde curly wig, if you guys have any suggestions, please comment below. I'd appreciate it. And thanks so much for coming to my channel, watching my video. And keep coming back. Thanks.